Here, let's dive into a dish that's crispy, punchy, and absolutely addictive: salt and pepper squid. This is one of those plates that disappears fast. 1 minute it's on the table, the next, gone. And if you've ever tried it, you'll understand why. Salt and pepper squid is a dish that bridges cultures. While it's hugely popular in Australia, it has its roots in Cantonese cuisine, and over the years, it's been embraced and reinvented in all kinds of Aussie kitchens, from family-run restaurants to high-end seafood spots and beachside cafes. So what is salt and pepper squid exactly? At its core, it's tender pieces of squid, often rings or strips, coated in a light, seasoned flour mixture, then deep-fried until golden and crispy. What makes it stand out is the seasoning. We're not just talking plain salt and pepper. It's usually a mix of sea salt, freshly ground black or white pepper, maybe a touch of Chinese 5-spice, sometimes chili flakes, and even a sprinkle of garlic or onion powder. That seasoning blend creates this savory, spicy crust that hits all the right notes. And the squid, when done right, is melt-in-your-mouth tender. It's quick fried at high heat, so it stays juicy inside, but gets that crunch on the outside. The texture contrast is everything: crispy shell, tender bite, and that little kick of spice. Salt and pepper squid is often served with a wedge of lemon or lime for that citrusy hit, maybe some aioli or sweet chili sauce on the side. In many Australian restaurants, it's plated on a bed of salad greens with slices of fresh chili and coriander, so you get that freshness to balance out the richness of the fried squid. It's a great starter, a popular pub dish, and sometimes even served as a main with rice or noodles. But honestly, no matter how it's served, it's one of those dishes that people keep going back for. Now, part of what makes salt and pepper squid so iconic in Australia is its fusion of Asian flavors with the laid-back, seafood-loving Aussie lifestyle. It's often enjoyed at beachside eateries, Asian fusion restaurants, or as part of a mixed seafood platter. It's casual yet flavorful, perfect for sharing with friends or grabbing on a warm summer day. And if you're making it at home, it's surprisingly simple. The key is fresh squid, sliced thinly, patted dry, and tossed in a seasoned flour mix, often rice flour or cornstarch for extra crispiness. Flash fry it in hot oil, toss it with the seasoning again right after cooking, and serve it immediately. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. There's also a bit of personality to salt and pepper squid. It's bold, it's not shy with flavor. That crackle when you bite into it, the zing of pepper, the tender squid, it leaves an impression. It's one of those dishes that you crave randomly because no other dish tastes quite like it. So whether you're having it as an entree, a street food snack, or the star of the table, salt and pepper squid is a dish that brings flavor, fun, and a little fire. It's one of Australia's favorite seafood bites, and once you taste it, it might just become yours too.